Welcome to today's lesson, which is about positive and negative numbers. The goals of today's lesson are that you can explain what zero, positive numbers and negative numbers mean in the context of temperature and elevation. You can use positive and negative numbers to describe temperature and elevation, and you know what positive and negative numbers are. So let's look at temperature first, and here we have pictures of two thermometers, and they are measuring temperature in degrees Celsius. We know that because of this degree symbol and the C beside it at the top of each thermometer. And here we have 0, and this is freezing point. Above that are the positive numbers, and the higher you go, the warmer the temperatures get. Below 0 are the negative numbers. You can see the negative symbol here in front of 10, and the lower you go on the thermometer, the colder the temperature. We also use positive and negative numbers when we're working with elevations. Elevation is how high or low something is compared to sea level. And in the picture here with the bird, sea level is here. And so we could say that the bird is flying at approximately, I'm going to just guess, 20 feet above sea level. And then there's a shark, and the other picture, and it looks like its fin is breaking the surface of the water, so it looks like it's barely below sea level. So I'm going to say, again, an estimate, the shark is 3 feet below sea level. And we can have much greater elevations. Here we have a picture of the mountain. It's Half Dome at Yosemite Park, and it rises 8,800 feet above sea level. And in the other picture we have a submarine, and some submarines can go very deep. Research submarines can go thousands of feet, so I'm just going to say this submarine can go 10,000 feet below sea level. So to represent these temperatures and elevations with positive and negative numbers, a temperature that's 10 degrees above 0, we would have this plus sign up, which is positive, so positive 10. A temperature which is 25 degrees below 0, if it's below 0 on the thermometer, it would be negative, negative sign, negative 25. A kite flying 35 feet above sea level would be plus 35. And a fish swimming 12 feet below sea level would be represented by minus 12 or negative 12. So when we think about temperatures in degrees Celsius, 0 is freezing point, and when we think about elevation, 0 is sea level. So today you saw what 0, positive numbers and negative numbers mean in the context of temperature and elevation. You can use positive and negative numbers to describe temperature and elevation, and you know that positive numbers are numbers with a plus sign and negative numbers are numbers with a negative sign. And that's the end of today's lesson.